Welcome to Learn Yourself. Today we are going to understand sign convention for reflection by spherical mirror. And these rules are given by new Cartesian sign convention. So these topics are under CBSE Std-10 syllabus from the chapter Light, Reflection and Refraction. So here we have taken a concave mirror and we are going to discuss with the help of this concave mirror that when we are keeping an object at certain distance, where we will get the image and what will be the nature of the image and what will be the size of the image. For this we need to understand certain rules which has been given by the new Cartesian sign convention. So we have to follow those rules and two formulas. First is mirror formula and second is magnification formula. So with the help of these two formulas we will calculate the numerical, we will get the answer, and that answers we need to interpret as per these rules. So let us first understand this diagram. This video is only for the mirrors and this is not for the lens. So for the lens, mirror formula and magnification formula is different. Here we are talking about mirrors. So we are including here concave mirror and convex mirror. So for concave mirror, this surface is reflecting surface. The inward surface is reflecting surface. Whereas for the convex mirror, the outward surface is reflecting surface. This surface is outward surface and this is for convex mirror. This is concave mirror, and what all rules we are discussing here will be applicable to all the types of spherical mirror and specifically two mirrors which are in our syllabus, that is concave mirror and convex mirror. So it will be applicable to both the mirrors. So first is when we are getting image towards the left side. So this is our concave mirror and towards the left side. So this is left side and this is right side. So when you are writing in your notebook, towards your right hand side this is a right side and towards your left hand side this is your left side. So towards the left side, when you are going towards the left side, and this is concave mirror, so towards the left side whatever distance we will get, those all distances will carry negative sign. Now what is the meaning of distance? So distance we are measuring from the pole P. Now what is pole P? Pole P is a midpoint of spherical mirror and it will lie on the surface of the mirror. So here this is a pole P. So from pole P we are measuring a distance. That pole P where we have kept the object and where we got the image. Here AB is the object and here A dash B dash is our image. So how to measure a distance? So always we are checking the distance from pole P, that from pole P how much far it is, and whenever it is towards the left side, that distance we are denoting with negative sign. That indicates that this is towards the left hand side. And when all the distances for the object we are keeping it here, but when in the case of convex mirror the focal point is lying behind the mirror. This is a convex mirror and focal point is lying behind the mirror. So most of the time we will get the image behind the mirror. So for that cases, whenever we are getting the image, that distance we are denoting with positive sign. That distance we are denoting with positive sign. That means image what we are getting is towards the right hand side. So this distances we are measuring from the mirror formula. Now what is the mirror formula? Mirror formula is, this mirror formula are for the mirrors. So 1 divided by V plus 1 divided by U equals to 1 divided by F. Now let us see what all these quantities are. So V suggests that distance of image from the pole P. Distance of image from the pole P. Then U is distance of object. Distance of object from the pole P. So U will tell us where we have kept the object and V will tell us where our image will be or where we will get the image. Now F is a focal length. F is a focal length. What is a focal length? So focal length is a distance between pole P and focus point. Focus point is in the front of the mirror for concave mirror, and it will be behind the mirror for convex mirror. So that is focus point, and the distance between focus point and pole P is our focal length. Focal length we are getting it from the radius of curvature, that R equals to 2F is the formula. So sometimes they will give you the focal length, and sometimes we have to find out from this formula that R equals to 2F. So radius of curvature they will give us. From that we can find out the focal length. Now, whenever we are getting the distance of the image, if this is negative, then that means that image we are getting it towards the left side. If that answer is positive, V is positive, then image we will get it towards the right hand side. From the mirror formula we will get only one thing, and that is position of the image. That from the sign we will get to know that whether it is towards the left side or right side, and the number will denote the distance, that how far it is from the mirror, either it is concave mirror or convex mirror. Now we are going to discuss about magnification of the mirrors. So what is the meaning of magnification? It means the enlarging of the image. But sometimes the image are smaller compared to the object, sometimes the image are enlarged compared to the object, and sometimes the size of the image will be equal to the size of the object. So all these details we will get it from this magnification formula's answer. So the formula is minus V divided by U. So this minus sign is there into the formula. So V is distance of image from the pole P, U is distance of object from the pole P. Once we will put these two things, we will get one answer. If it is carrying negative sign, that means the image is real. If it is carrying positive sign, that means the image is virtual. So from the sign of the answer of magnification formula's calculation, it will tell us whether the image is real or virtual. Now, whatever number we will get here from this calculation, that number will tell us whether the image will be bigger, smaller or equal to the object. Sometimes magnification formula we are also calculating with respect to height of the object and height of the image. So in that case we are using H dash divided by H formula. H dash is the height of the image and H is height of the object. We can also refer it to size of the image and size of the object. Now whenever we are getting the image above the principal axis, then the sign is positive. Whenever we are getting the image inverted and below the principal axis, then the sign will be negative. So here there are four types of sign we have to understand. That if towards the left side, then it is negative. If it is towards the right hand side, then it is positive. If it is above the principal axis, then it is positive, and if it is below the principal axis, then it is negative. And everything we have to interpret, that nature of the image, position of the image and size of the image. All these things we have to interpret from our answer, that our answer carries which sign, either positive or negative, and what is the answer. So from all these things we have to interpret the answer, that whether our image is real or virtual, it will be, what will be its size, it will be enlarged or it will be point size or it will be equal to the object. All these things we have to interpret from the answer. So in next video we are going to discuss that how to interpret all these things from the answer. So don't forget to subscribe, learn yourself. I'll see you in next video. Till then, keep learning, keep sharing.